The US dollar began the week with significant momentum. This strengthening follows a combination of soft Eurozone unemployment data and a robust ISM Manufacturing Index. Additionally, diminishing prospects for a US-Iran agreement continue to support the dollar, providing a solid fundamental backdrop for a bullish outlook. Upcoming US economic indicators. Would you like to read more good news about American dollar and preview? Market focus remains on critical labor data, releases scheduled for the remainder of the week. Friday's non-farm payrolls and unemployment figures will be primary catalysts, with current projections estimating 85,000 to 102,000 new jobs. Further volatility is expected from the job openings report, the ADP employment figures, and the ISM Services Business Activity Index. Unique stair-step trend trading with the stair-steps expert advisor. Learn more. Technical analysis. Eurust and GB past wave analysis currently points to a sustained downward trend for both major pairs. For Eurust, the pair appears to be within a corrected structure that could extend toward the 1.14 level, although a truncated wave formation may see movement settle slightly below 1.16. Similarly, the GB past is positioned for a decline, with potential for the pair to drop below the 1.33 mark as it completes its current wave structure. Trading principles and risk management. While technical indicators and geopolitical factors favor the US dollar, traders should maintain a disciplined approach. Market participants are advised to prioritize simple wave structures, avoid positions during periods of high uncertainty, and consistently utilize stop-loss orders. As no market scenario offers 100% certainty, integrating wave analysis with other defensive trading strategies is highly recommended. Thank you for reading. Level up your trading with proven robot FX expert advisors. Check them out now.